Yabaya Sunbona, hello, Siyabonga here with Sensaholics, and I'm back again with another fragrance review. So guys, I decided to bring nature to you guys, and nature is what we love. As you can hear, my friends flying all over the place, making some lovely noise, and this is what we're all about. Sometimes we have to be outside. We speak about fragrances and what they're all about, you know, the kayak woods, the pears, the vanillas, all these notes, but sometimes we're not outside. So I decided to change it up and be outside. I'm in Durban and just enjoying this lovely scenery. So with regards to the review today, I've got a beautiful fragrance from the house of Afnan, and this is the fragrance here. It's called 9 p.m. and I'm sure, judging by the name, you already know what this fragrance is for. So this fragrance is very nice. It's got a nice heavy cap. This is the cap here, very solid metal, very, very heavy. And even the bottle itself, very strong, thick glass. And at the back, it's see-through, okay? As you can see at the bottom there, it's also got the ingredients and information. So Afnan, the brand itself, is from the Middle East as part of the five fragrance houses that are dominating in the Middle East, just like Armaf, Al Haramain, and they do absolutely amazing fragrances, from inexpensive to very high-end and very expensive fragrances. The nice thing about this particular fragrance here, it's got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scent quality, and it's a sweet fragrance. So if you're a person that doesn't like sweet fragrances, then this one is definitely not for you. But I can tell you one thing, with the ladies, it's definitely a showstopper. I've worn it many times. I've got many compliments, not even from people my age or younger, even from older people, my aunts, you know, even grandmother Ukoko Engoma. So this is the type of scent where from Ukoko all the way to the youngest person in the family, they'll compliment you. Especially, I think it's designed as well to have a nicer feel towards the females, and for the gents, they'll definitely respect you because it's something that's not too common. So the top notes here, you're looking at frozen apple and pear. Pear is one of my favorite notes. And then when you get into the mid, we transition, there's black vanilla, okay? And then in the base, we've got lavender. But all these notes flow together to create a beautiful elixir from the top all the way to the bottom. The pear sticks right till the bottom. The frozen apple starts going away around the hour and a half mark, but I can still pick it up because I also love apple, so I can still pick it up in the background. So that's the fragrance. In terms of where do I wear it, this one here, it's for the club. It's for going out with friends, having fun, going out on date now with a significant other. Just don't put too many sprays when you're going on a date with this one, because it does project very heavy, it's very strong, and it's loud. You don't want to dominate your significant other or your partner on a date too much. You want them to also enjoy getting to know you without being overwhelmed by the smell. But this one is absolutely amazing. With regards to the presentation of this here, I'd give it a 8 out of 10. The reason why I give it an 8 out of 10, I've dropped this bottle three times, and it hasn't broken. So the quality of the glass and the cap, it's amazing. And the look of it, it's different. You know, it's not your common type of bottle design. So I'd give it an 8 out of 10. With regards to the scent, I'd give it an 8 out of 10 as well, because I love pear, I love vanilla, and I just like the combo with the lavender. The lavender is very soothing and cooling as well. And then with the vanilla, making it more sweet and sexy and seductive, it's a lovely elixir. So I'd give it an 8 out of 10. With regards to the projection, 10 out of 10. I'm not even going to go anywhere. 10 out of 10. It projects like a beast, and it lasts very long. Performance, I also give it a 10 out of 10. On my skin, at least a minimum of 11 to 12 hours on every wearing. And that's 11 to 12 hours when I really need to take a shower at night and go to bed. So it lasts very long. So 10 out of 10 for projection, 10 out of 10 for performance. It's Afnan, 9 p.m. I highly recommend it to you guys that want something different that you can wear around with your friends, going out, clubbing and all that stuff like that. And it's one that you won't regret. couple of sprays goes a long way. Here I recommend, even when you're going out to the club, 5 sprays max, so you don't choke anyone out. And yeah, it's inexpensive, guys. You're looking at about 1,000 Rand for this one here, and it's great value for money, and it lasts very long. So that's it. I hope you like the review. Don't forget to like and comment, especially subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to dress well and smell even better. Peace.